Hi, it's Jason from Seychelles, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading account on Exness. Let's get started. Exness is one of the top Forex brokers to trade with in South Africa. They were established in 2008, have over 52,000 active traders, and are regulated with top regulators, such as the FSA, FCA, and CYSEC. Even though they do not have FSCA regulation in South Africa, the fact that they have 3 other regulators, one being a top tier one, makes them a safe broker to trade with. They also offer really low spreads of almost 0 pips with their ECN account. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account where you can test out their platform. Remember, the environment can be a bit different from the live accounts, so use this demo for primarily building your strategy. The first thing you want to do is click on New Account. Fill in your country of residence, email address, and create a password. Remember, it's important to read the client agreement so that you fully understand all the rules of Exness trading. By proceeding, you are agreeing to their terms and conditions, including Forex fees and commissions. Okay, so this is your account window. If you want to start trading on a real account, you will need to complete your profile and make a deposit. So, you must click on Become a Real Trader here. You might be required to verify your account with your phone number. After that is done, let's head back to the main window. On the left-hand side of your main window is where you can access Analytics, monitor your account, get information on bonuses or education, and also join social trading. If you would like to start with a demo account, you have $10,000 of virtual money to play with on the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. This is only virtual currency for use with your demo account. It is not real. If you would prefer to trade on your mobile phone, you can download the Exness mobile trading app here. When you would like to start trading on your demo account, click on Demo, and then Trade. You will then be required to install MetaTrader 5 for Windows, or any other platform you are using. Alternatively, you can trade without downloading right in your browser here. Click on Web MetaTrader 5 or Web Terminal. If you have any trouble logging into Web MetaTrader 5, you can use the Web Terminal. We used Web Terminal. So here you go, we are in, simple and easy. On the left-hand side, you can see your portfolio, history, and also switch to the MetaTrader terminal or return to your Exness personal area if you want. You can also switch between candle view and line chart view like this. On the right tab here is where you will buy, sell, set an auto close, or change your order volume. You can also add currency pairs right here. What is really great about Exness is that you can get in touch directly with them to answer your queries right from your window. Just click on the chat button, it's the top graphic on the bottom right. You can talk to their support team via Telegram, Viber, phone line, VK, or live chat. Their support technical staff will be more than happy to help you with any questions you need answering. Okay, so there you have it. That is how to set up a demo account quickly and easily on Exness. To open your account now, simply follow the link in the description. Good luck!